in the world,
Yeah.
there's a lion full speed at the zebra, and it's going to tackle it. It's going to grab it by its face, and all these animals exist to keep each other in check. That's the real beauty of nature, and you really see it when we saw that. We were out yesterday, Cam and I we were hunting for pigs, and we saw a feral cat make a pounce on a mouse. Like we were in the perfect, it was one of the coolest things.
Yeah.
Because even though, like, it's a kitty cat, meow, like a little tiny kitty cat, it was fluffy too, it was kind of cute. We watched a predator in the rare moment when you see him executing a kill. I mean, it was only a feral cat, but it was